my loves, we have Valerie here today and we are going to wax and then tint her brows. I'm going to start by wiping her brows down. I know she has no makeup on, but it just helps with cleansing the skin. We're going to do it again just for the YouTube channel. I'm actually using a gel right now just to comb her hairs downward so I can see how they lay. Start by going in the middle. So I always do go over a second time with thread, and that's only to perfect the shape. I feel like what wax does is it just leaves it a really clean finish, much cleaner than thread. And then for the front underneath her brows, because they're actually so sparse, I would rather just thread them. So a lot of you leave comments about how uneven the brow is. And if you pay attention to before I even waxed them, her brows were still uneven. So evenness is not something that takes one day. It takes a lot of time for correction. The right serums to get the hairs coming out of the skin, all that comes into play, so it's not anything that can be corrected on a YouTube video, unfortunately. I wish it could. So her brows are actually sparsing very lightly underneath the right brow. So I left a whole bunch of hairs on the bottom. The tint is actually going to help blend it in. So I actually use pigment rings to put my tint in. This is something that no one really does, but I love it because it's very convenient. So you guys all should try it. And I'm going to go through with my tinting brush is disinfectant in between each client. I'm just going to smoothly in one direction apply the tint. Overlapping the tint isn't good either because when you do, it actually causes your hairs to fall. So you have to be very careful with how much product you're putting on the brow. You can't just put like layers and layers of tint. That would be a big no-no. Be mindful of the tint processing. Let's go ahead and wipe her tint off. Valerie's preference, she loves to go just a little bit darker, but even though it's dark, it still looks very natural. You guys can see how it kind of blended in on the bottom in the areas that I waxed as well. So I know with Instagram, especially with all the pictures that trend of brows, I believe that people think that brows are supposed to look a certain way, but In my eyes, I don't think so. I think that everybody has their natural shape. So what I like to do is focus on the growth to bringing out the most natural shape for my client. So her left brow is doing a little better than her right one. I hope you guys can see it in the video, but there are some hairs that are sticking upwards. So I'm just going to kind of bend my wrist in the position that I'm just trimming the hairs down. Again, not cutting them, trimming them down to its root so that way they're not sticking up. So with this brow, because it does need a lot of correction, I'm barely going to trim. Make sure you have the right pull. So there you go.